Students, Unit 13 Mass. I will give you first recap of this unit. Mass means weight of something, as I told you in our last lecture. There was another description about gram. Standard unit for measuring weight is a gram. Gram is written in short as G. Today we are going to do workbook page number 116, 117 and 118. Word problems. Question number 1. The mass of a bottle of oil is 750 gram. When all the oil is removed, the mass of the bottle is 50 gram. What is the mass of the oil? So, our first statement will be mass of a bottle of oil, as it is mentioned in the first line of the question. We will keep out these words and make first statement. Mass of a bottle of oil is equal to 750 gram. Then second statement will be the mass of the empty bottle is equal to 50 gram. Now we need to find out, this is our third statement, and we need to find out it. What is the mass of the oil? So our third statement will be mass of the oil. 750 gram minus 50 gram. When we will subtract it, so 750 gram minus 50 gram, so it comes the answer 700 gram. In this question, when we are going to remove the oil, so definitely we need to understand that this is a question about subtraction. We are removing and we are subtracting something. So 750 gram minus 50 gram is equal to 700 gram. So at the last we will write the final statement. The mass of the oil is 700 gram. Question number 2. Terry's mass is 35 kg. His brother is 4 kg lighter. What is their total mass? So after reading the statement, we need to find out his brother's. First we will find out his brother's weight. What will be his brother's exact weight, and then in second part we will find out their total mass. So mass of Terry, first statement will be, now I am telling you the solution. Mass of Terry is equal to 35 kg. It will be our first statement. Second statement, we need to find out his brother weight. So if he is 4 kg lighter, so when we will subtract 4 from 35 kg, so definitely it will be 31 kg. So after subtracting it, we get to know that his brother weight is 31 kg. So first part is done. Now we need to find out their total mass. Total mass is equal to 35 kg plus his brother mass, what we have find out, 31 kg. Now we need to add them. 35 kg plus 31 kg is equal to 66 kg. So their total mass is 66 kg. Question number 3. This question will be done like question number 2, same like question number 2. The mass, question number 3, the mass of a teaspoon is 75 gram. It is 175 gram lighter than a teacup. Find out their total mass. So we need to find out their total mass, but first we need to find out the mass of the teacup. So your first statement will be, as it is mentioned in the statement, first line of the statement. So you will write mass of teaspoon is equal to 75 gram. Mass of teacup, that is the statement in which you have to find out. So what will you do? 175 gram plus 75 gram. So 250 gram will be the answer of this first part. And in the second part, what we will do, we find out the mass of teacup, 250 gram. So total mass is equal to 250 gram plus 75 gram. 75 gram was the mass of teaspoon. So when we will add them, our answer will be 325 gram. So the total mass is 325 gram. Question number 4. The mass of a suitcase is 7 kg. What is the mass of 5 suitcases? First you need to make the statements. Your first statement will be done from the question, first line of the question. Mass of suitcase is equal to 7 kg. So in this question you need to find out that what you are going to do, subtraction, addition, multiplication. So definitely if one suitcase weight is 7 kg, so 5 suitcases, how we will get to know that when we are going to multiply it. Second statement will be mass of 5 suitcases is equal to 7 kg multiplied by 5, so is equal to 35. So 5 suitcases mass is 35 kg. 35 kg. Students, as we are done with question number 1, 2, 3 and 4, you need to solve these questions on your workbook. And now move on question number 5. I will read statement for you and explain you how you are going to do this question, and you need to make the statements and do it by yourself. Question number 5, 6, question number 7 and 8. These are your assignments. You need to do them by yourself. So question number 5, I am reading it for you. Mother bought 4 similar packets of flour. The mass of the 4 packets of flour is 12 kg. What is the mass of each packet of flour? So in this question, when you will do the division, definitely you will get your exact or correct answer. In question number 6 will be done like question number 3. It will be done in 2 parts, and it's about addition. In 2 parts you will do addition and you will have your exact answer. Mr. Riaz sold 85 kg of rice in the morning. He sold 32 kg more rice in the afternoon. Then in the morning, how many kilograms of rice did he sell that the day? Okay, now move on question number 7. The total mass of 5 identical fish tanks is 20 kg. What is the mass of each fish tank? In this question, when you will divide 20 kg on 5, then definitely you will have exact answer. That will be the mass of each fish tank. Now move on question number 8. The mass of a turkey is 5 kg. What is the mass of 4 turkeys? So this is a question as you have done in question number 4, multiplication. When you will multiply 4 multiplied by 5, so definitely you will have your exact answer. Thank you so much. This is all for today.